Syncing up everything now. So hopefully this will be the last take, because I repeated this too many times. So hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm actually not going to be cooking anything, but I will be preparing these. These are porcini mushrooms, penny buns, if you know them better by that name. And look how many I have. And this is basically too much for me to eat in one go. And this is also a great opportunity for me to show you. First of all, I will explain you some characteristics of this mushroom. And afterwards I will be cleaning them, cutting them up, boiling them, leaving them to cool down and off in the freezer. So without any further ado, let's hop into it. So this is basically the three forms that you can find the mushroom in the wild. The first one is basically one of the youngest mushrooms, and this is a class 1 mushroom. You can easily recognize it because underneath it's white. This is a class 2 mushroom, and this is underneath yellowish. And this is a class 3 mushroom, and this is underneath green. All three of these are perfectly good to eat. If you'll find porcini mushrooms in the grocery store, then you will find these young ones, because in this form you can eat the whole mushroom as it is. You just need to clean it up, cut it up, and you can eat it like this. These older ones, this second category mushroom for example, you need to clean the underneath part, the spongy part. You need to clean it off. And also on this third category mushroom, you need to clean this. Basically you need to take off all of the spongy part from the underneath of the mushroom. You can see the separation between the meat of the mushroom and the part that you need to clean off. I'm 100% sure that you will not find the mushrooms in this form in your grocery store. The most common are these small ones.
Uite aici. Asta da. Captura. Și hai să continuăm. Oh! Hai să continuăm. Bă, ce frumos este. Așa. Hai de capul meu. Na bun. Deci pentru asta am meritat că am venit până aici astăzi. Frumoasă captură. Asta da. Asta. Asta doar de început. Putni. Putni, haber. Uite dacă am erat. O zi. Nu, erdem meg.